Good evening, children. Today we will see the lines and angles. Lines and angles. See here, we discussed it in the previous class about transversal. See, if the lines are like this, if the lines are like this, if a line intersects, if a line L intersects M and N at two distant points, total 8 angles, it forms total 8 angles. These are the 8 angles, it forms 8 angles. See, if a line, see, observe these two lines, are they parallel? No, they are not parallel. Now observe here, I am drawing two parallel lines, line L, line M. If they are parallel, if a line intersects, that is N, same, we form 8 angles at two distant points. It forms 8 angles. Both are same, but here the lines are not parallel, but here in this case they are parallel. See, if two lines are parallel, if you take this line and exactly if you keep here, same the angle, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you take this line and if you exactly coincides here on this line L, then angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7. That means those are the corresponding angles. If two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? See, angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Only when the two lines are parallel. If the two lines are parallel, then only these corresponding angles are equal. Next, angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Here in this case, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6. One is interior, one is exterior. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7. These angles are equal. If the lines are parallel, they exactly coincide. If you take this line and exactly keep this line here, means 1 is equals to 5. Angle 4 is equals to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. What about the alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles also equal. Alternate interior angles also equal. See, what are the alternate interior angles? Angle 4, angle 6. Angle 4 is equals to angle 6. See, if you take only this one, see, these two lines are intersecting lines. You forget about this one. You observe only this one. See, vertically opposite angles are equal. When two lines intersect at a point, vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. If 4 is equal to 2 means 2 is equal to 6, no? That's why alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate angle 4 is equals to angle 6. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. These are the alternate interior angles. Next, alternate exterior angles also equal. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 is equals to angle 7. Alternate exterior angles also equal. Angles. What are the alternate exterior angles? Angle 1, angle 7. Angle 1 is equals to angle 7. Angle 2 is equals to angle 8. See here, one more. Angles on the same side of the transversal is equals to 180 degrees. See, these two are equal. These two are equal. So, if you add these two angles on the, these two are linear pair, no? Linear pair is nothing but 180 degrees. This angle is equals to this angle, and angle 6 is equals to, sorry, these two angles forms a linear pair. Angle 6 is equals to angle 4. That's why angles on the same side of the transversal is equals to 90 degrees. Angles only, these are possible only when two lines are parallel, then these are all possible. If L is parallel to M and N is a transversal, then only these are possible. Angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degrees. What are those? See, angle 4 plus angle 5. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Angles on the same side of the transversal. Another pair also there. Angle 3, angle 6. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180. Supplementary is nothing but 180 degrees. So these are all possible if two lines are parallel. See, if L is parallel to M and N is a transversal and N is a transversal, these are all possible. See, in this case, if L and M are parallel and N is a transversal, corresponding angles are equal. And alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Angles on the same side of the transversal is 180. So, see, in this case, they will give you 4.3, 4.3 I think, yes, 4.3 based on this property, on these lines. When two lines are parallel, they will give you just, if they will give only one angle, we can find all the remaining angles. See, for example, angle 4 is equals to, for example, 60 degrees. Angle 4 is 60 degrees. This one is 60. What about the remaining angles? When two lines are parallel, N is a transversal. If angle 4 is 60 degrees, how can you find the remaining angles? We can find easily. See here, alternate interior angles are equal. Angle 4 is equals to angle 6. That is equals to 60 degrees. That means angle 6 we know, angle 4 also we know. See, if angle 4 is equals to, angle 4 plus 3 is 180. Angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. Otherwise, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Like that also you can write it. Angle 4, angles on the same side of the transversal is 180. So, angle 4 is equal to 60. Angle 5 is equal to 180. Angle 5 is equal to 180 plus 60. If you transpose here, it becomes 120, subtraction. Angle 5 is equal to 120. See, If angle 5 is 120, angle 3, alternate interior angles also equal. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3 is equals to 120 degrees. Okay. If angle 5 is equals to angle 1, because corresponding angles. Angle 5 is equals to angle 1, corresponding angles, that is 120 degrees. These two are corresponding angles. See, if angle 4 is equals to 60, angle 8 also 60. Angle 4 is equals to angle 8 is equals to 60. See, now we got angle 1, 3, 6, 2. Angle 2 is equals to angle 6. Angle 2 is equals to angle 2 is equals to angle 6 is equals to 60 degrees. If angle 2 is equals to angle 6, 60 degrees, remaining all angles we found, I think. Only 7. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7. Angle 3 is equals to angle 7, corresponding angles, that is 120 degrees. In this way, we can find, not only like this, another method also there. See, if you take only this one, angle 4, angle 2, vertically opposite angles are equal. Like that also you can find. Angle 4 is equals to angle 2. Angle 4 is 60. Angle 2 also 60. In that way also we can find. So, if two lines are parallel and a transversal is there, means we can, if they give only one value, we can find all the remaining values in this way. If they give x also, here anywhere in this angles, if they give x, we can find the remaining angles. Okay, thank you.